Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Martin Luther King Day. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is observed on the third Monday of January each year to honor the birthday and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., a pivotal figure in the American civil rights movement. This federal holiday was first observed in 1986, though it took several years for all 50 states to recognize it. Dr. King's leadership in advocating for civil rights, nonviolent protest, and racial equality left an indelible mark on American history. His eloquent advocacy and inspirational vision, particularly articulated in his famous "I Have a Dream" speech, continue to influence and resonate with millions around the world. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is not only a time to reflect on the progress made in the fight against racial discrimination and inequality but also a day of service. Inspired by Dr. King's vision of a beloved community, the holiday is often observed as a day on, not a day off, encouraging individuals to volunteer and engage in civic activities to improve their communities. Educational programs, service projects, and marches are common, as people come together to continue Dr. King's work in fostering a just and inclusive society. This day serves as a poignant reminder of the ongoing struggle for racial justice and the power of collective action in striving for a world where every person is judged by the content of their character rather than the color of their skin. National Bagel Day. National Bagel Day is celebrated annually on January 15th, honoring the rich history and enduring popularity of the bagel, a versatile and beloved bread product known for its dense, chewy texture and distinctive hole in the center. Bagels originated in Jewish communities of Poland and have since become a staple in American cuisine, particularly in cities with large Jewish populations like New York City. This day is a celebration of all things bagel, from the classic plain variety to an array of flavors and toppings including sesame, poppy seed, onion, garlic, cinnamon raisin, and everything bagels, as well as the myriad ways they can be enjoyed, be it toasted with cream cheese, topped with lox, or as the foundation of a hearty sandwich. On National Bagel Day, bakeries and bagel shops often offer special deals, discounts, or new flavor introductions, inviting patrons to enjoy their favorite bagel varieties or try something new. It's a day for bagel lovers to share their favorite combinations and recipes on social media, celebrate the culinary traditions surrounding bagels, and perhaps learn more about the history and art of bagel making. Food enthusiasts might explore the differences between bagel styles, such as the classic New York bagel known for its shiny, chewy crust and the Montreal bagel, smaller and sweeter with a larger hole. National Bagel Day is an opportunity for friends and families to gather and enjoy this beloved bread, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, or any time in between, celebrating the simple joy and versatility of the bagel. National Hat Day. National Hat Day, observed annually on January 15th, is a celebration of one of the most enduring and diverse articles of clothing, the hat. This day is set aside to appreciate and enjoy the wide variety of hats used throughout history and in modern times for fashion, protection, uniformity, and cultural significance. From the practical to the flamboyant, hats have represented social status, profession, and individual style, making them an interesting subject of cultural discussion and sartorial expression. On National Hat Day, people are encouraged to wear their favorite hats, whether it's a classic fedora, a sporty baseball cap, a warm and woolly beanie, or an extravagant fashion statement piece. It's a day for hat enthusiasts to showcase their collection, share their style, and perhaps delve into the history and craftsmanship behind different types of hats. Social media often sees a flurry of posts with individuals donning their beloved headgear, sharing stories or facts about their hats, and participating in hat-themed events or contests. The day serves not only as a fun and whimsical observance but also as a nod to the cultural and historical significance of hats, reflecting the customs, climate, and fashion sensibilities of different times and places. Whether for function, fashion, or symbolism, National Hat Day is a tip of the cap to this enduring and versatile form of expression. National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. National Strawberry Ice Cream Day, celebrated on January 15th each year, is a sweet tribute to this beloved ice cream flavor. Strawberry ice cream is one of the classic flavors, cherished for its bright, sweet, and slightly tart taste, made from real strawberries, cream, and sugar. This day invites everyone to indulge in a scoop or two of this delightful treat, whether enjoying it on its own, as part of a sundae, or even blended into a milkshake. It's a day for ice cream lovers to revel in the simple pleasures of this fruity dessert and for ice cream parlors to showcase their variety of strawberry creations. The history of strawberry ice cream dates back centuries, with early versions being more of a strawberry ice mixture. Over time, as culinary techniques evolved, strawberry ice cream became creamier and richer, developing into the beloved treat known today. On National Strawberry Ice Cream Day, families and friends often celebrate by making homemade strawberry ice cream or visiting their local ice cream shops to enjoy a cone, cup, or other strawberry ice cream delights. Social media becomes a place to share mouthwatering images and recipes, as well as to exchange stories about favorite memories involving the sweet treat. It's a day that highlights the enduring popularity of strawberry ice cream and provides a moment to savor the joy and nostalgia associated with every creamy, strawberry-filled bite. National Fig Newton Day. National Fig Newton Day, celebrated annually on January 16, is dedicated to the fig-filled cookie that has been a beloved treat for over a century. Named after the town of Newton, Massachusetts, fig Newtons were created in the late 19th century and have since become a classic American snack. The day celebrates not only the distinctive taste and texture of this pastry but also its place in the cultural and culinary history of the United States. Fig Newtons are unique for their soft, cake-like outer dough and sweet, chewy fig paste filling. Over the years, they have maintained popularity among a wide range of age groups and have become synonymous with nostalgic snacking. On National Fig Newton Day, enthusiasts enjoy Fig Newtons as a snack, share them with friends and family, or get creative by incorporating them into various recipes. It's also a day for learning more about the history of this iconic cookie, including how it was one of the first commercially baked products in America. Whether enjoyed straight from the package or as part of a more elaborate dessert, National Fig Newton Day is a time for everyone to appreciate the enduring appeal of this classic, fruity cookie. Appreciate a Dragon Day. Appreciate a Dragon Day, celebrated annually on January 16th, is a whimsical holiday dedicated to dragons, the mythical creatures that have captured the imagination of cultures around the world for centuries. This day encourages people to explore the rich lore and diverse depictions of dragons in literature, film, art, and folklore. Dragons have been portrayed as both benevolent guardians and fearsome beasts, varying widely in their characteristics and symbolism across different societies. From the fire-breathing dragons of European legend to the auspicious, serpentine creatures found in Asian traditions, dragons are a universal symbol of power, wisdom, and mystery. On Appreciate a Dragon Day, individuals are encouraged to engage with dragon stories and artworks, perhaps revisiting classic tales, discovering new dragon-themed books, or creating their own dragon art. It's a day for dragon enthusiasts to share their favorite representations of dragons, whether through costume, literature, movies, or video games. Educational institutions might take this opportunity to explore the cultural significance of dragons in various societies, discussing their mythological and historical origins. This celebration is not only a testament to the enduring fascination with these mythical creatures but also an invitation to delve into the fantastical world of dragons and appreciate the rich tapestry of stories and symbolism they represent. Whether through reading a favorite dragon tale or creating a dragon drawing, Appreciate a Dragon Day is about celebrating the magic and wonder that these mythical beings inspire in all ages. National Nothing Day. National Nothing Day, observed annually on January 16, is an event created with the idea of providing Americans with one national day when they can just sit without celebrating, observing, or honoring anything. It was proposed in 1973 by columnist Harold Pullman Coffin and has been celebrated since then as a day to provide people a chance to take a break from the constant stream of observances and holidays that fill the calendar. Unlike most days that aim to commemorate or raise awareness, National Nothing Day is dedicated to the concept of doing nothing at all, embracing relaxation and a momentary pause in the busy pace of life. The idea behind National Nothing Day is somewhat tongue-in-cheek, offering a playful reprieve from the seriousness of many holidays and daily responsibilities. It's an opportunity to step back, relax, and enjoy some personal time without the pressure of having to be productive or celebrate a specific occasion. While it doesn't call for any official form of celebration or observation, some people take the spirit of the day to heart by taking it easy, avoiding stress, and enjoying a quiet day of reflection or leisure. In a world filled with constant activity and demands on our time, National Nothing Day stands out by offering a rare permission slip to unwind, reflect, or simply do nothing at all. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.